Hey Brian, I just want to make sure that we're on the same page in terms of instruction. Okay, so when I'm logged in as me, then I can go kind of log in as you. I'm just showing you how I do that. So you can see that I'm not super creepily logged in as you. So I find you, and then I log in as you. And then I can either click go to Buzz homepage or I can go to LMS. Both work fine, but just in case you're going this way, just make sure that you pick your campus. I don't know if you can actually see all of them, but click Alexandria and then it just logs me in as you. There's no, it's all single sign on. That password, it like doesn't, I don't know all of the details, but basically Genius doesn't store your password. That password doesn't really mean anything because it's all single sign on. So as long as you're logged in to your computer and to Genius, then they should all be connected.